Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Medal on your PC or laptop. Now, first, you want to search for download Medal. That's the first step. After that, you want to click on the first website where it says here medal.tv. Now, after you are here, what you need to do in the top right, you will be able to see the download button or here. Now, you just need to click on it and then download it. As you can see, it's downloading right now. It only takes a few seconds, as you can see. As you can see, the file is downloaded successfully. Just click on it. Now, after you click on it, you will need to install this on your PC. So this is how it's going to look like. I will show you how to use it and how to install it in just a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it says here preparing install. Just give it a few seconds. So you just need to log in using Discord, or you can log in using any of these like TikTok, Google. I'm going to go with Google right now. So after that, this is how it's going to look like. You will be able to see the recorded clips. Now, if you haven't recorded anything, you will not find anything here. Now, first, what you need to do is to change some settings, okay? So you just need to click on the gear icon at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on clip settings. Now here, you can change the duration, like for example, you want to record the last 15 seconds of your game, you can change it here, but I always go with 30 seconds. Now, in order to record the last 30 seconds, you can choose a hotkey. Now, for example, I'm going to click here. Now I'm going to click on G, for example, G. Now, whenever I click on G, it's going to record the last 30 seconds of the game. That's how it works. Now, if you scroll down, I'm going to scroll down right now. And here where it says start and stop long recording hotkey. Now, this helps you like starts a long recording if you press the chosen hotkey, useful for recording segments where you know what is going to happen. Now you can change this to whatever you want, whatever hotkey you want. For me, I'm going to change it to Alt G, okay? And the bookmarks, you can add a bookmark to your long recording with this hotkey. You can change the hotkey here. You can also automatically record the entire game season. If that's what you want, you can enable it here. Now, if you click here on quality, you want to choose the highest quality here. That's what I do myself. Also, you can choose the video encoder. I'm going to go with GPU. Select GPU. I'm going to go with NVIDIA. Now, if you click on audio, you can change this to whatever you want. If you want to record the game audio only, or record the game audio and Discord audio only, or record all PC audios. This includes the game and also the Discord audio. Now you can choose whatever you want here. So after that, that's how to use a model on your laptop or PC. So hopefully this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. See you in the next tutorial.